What's up, my lovely people? It's your favorite YouTuber here, Grant. Yes, it's me, the same person, just not animated. And in this video, I'll be explaining to you how I got an iPhone 12 by simply investing in stocks. So, with that said, ensure that you smash that button for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe if you're not already, and let's begin. First things first, I want to address why you see my face. The truth is, animation takes a long time, and I want to always be able to put out videos for you guys on a consistent basis. And because I have a lot of other extra stuff doing, it's a bit difficult. But I'm not going completely abandon animation. If there are things that require actual visual representation and me explaining stuff, then I will animate, and you will see even in this video. But also, I want to be more consistent, so going forward, after I get my groove in and my setup is a bit better, it's currently not fully done yet, but working with it. I haven't uploaded a video in a while, so this is why. So you probably can start expecting 2 videos a week on a more consistent basis. And also, I hear dogs barking. Is my neighbor's dog, and if you're an OG subscriber, you already know that those are one of my menaces. So with that said, let's dive in. How I was able to get the iPhone 12 by simply investing in securities was through pledging. And according to Google, pledging simply means taking loans against the shares that one holds. That's it. Shares are considered a type of assets and they act as collateral against the loan. Any individual or institution that holds shares can pledge them. And that's what I really did. So I pledged my stocks. I have about $350,000 in stocks invested. Majority of it is main market stock. Luckily, that was one of the requirements as well, because institutions only really use main market stocks as the collateral when it comes to pledging your securities. Yes, they might use the junior market stocks, but it's very slim, and even if they do, they're going to use a negligible amount. These are all the main market stocks, as you can see, and I only really used 3 of my stocks to secure the loan. I used Carreras, Trans, and Grace Kennedy, which I think is no brainer. I already even make a video on the best stocks to invest in. You can go check that out. But yeah, so the process went something similar to this. I went to the bank, I asked them, can I get a loan using my stocks? Because I had heard about pledging already. And basically, they say yes. They checked my portfolio and then they sent it to an analyst or someone who does risk. And it took about, I want to say 4 to 5 days, business days that is. And then they came back to me. They called me and said, all right, you can get XYZ amount. And I said, fine. I was able to get up to $130,000, but I only took 120. And this is why. So when it comes to actually pledging your stocks, you're going to pay a commitment fee. The commitment fee is $10,000, or from 0 to 400,000 you'll be charged 2.5% of $400,000 in loans. So 2.5% of 400,000 is $10,000. That's the reason why I took $120,000. What happened is the phone, I already knew the price of the phone. The phone was $110,000, and I was like, all right, I don't want to pay any money out of my pocket, so I'll go and take $120,000, which was good and I think smart as well. So what I did, I pledged my securities, I got the loan, and I got an interest rate of 9 point something, 9%, and that was really it. So now I have monthly payments, but I'm going to do some maths for you, and this is your animation would actually come in. Alright, so basically this is how it goes. So after you have consented that you want to pledge your securities, they're going to send it to JCD, and they are JC or whatever there, and then they're going basically say, alright, he wants to pledge these shares for this amount of money, yada yada yada. The thing is, it will be for the next 5 to 10 years, and you have an interest rate of 9%. So basically, how it works out is that $120,000 plus the 9% interest rate that I would pay would be $11,691. My total payment that I would have to pay back over it would be $131,691, which would equal to $2,194.85 per month for the next 5 years. The truth is, my dividend payment does not necessarily fully cover the whole payment as yet, and just to be sure, I'm going to do a quick calculation to let you guys know. Alright, so the total payment I would have to make for the year is $26,338.20. Currently, my dividend portfolio pays about $19,000 for the year, so I would roughly have to find $6,000 or $7,000. But going forward, I will be continuously investing. So that means that as time progresses, maybe by year end, I'll be able to completely pay for all my monthly payments with my dividends. So I would basically be paying nothing. And then for the years to come, I would continue having more and more investments being done, which after a while, this phone going to be practically free. And also, I will still be netting positive, having more money coming in than actually going out. And that is the aim. Plus, it helps that I still go to school and I still get allowance and lunch money. So if poo-poo hits the fan, then you know I'll be able to still survive anyways. Plus, I hope me putting out more videos and doing more content that I would like will also help to, you know, spruce up the views, give me more money, and by me making more money, you guys also sharing that. So yeah, but guys, I'm not advising you guys to pledge your stocks. That is firstly, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm always say this, but if you are interested, go to your financial advisor, whatever broker you use, and then you will be good. They will explain to you the procedure much better than maybe 15 or 16 minute video can do. Alright, and also remember that once you pledge your stocks, you can't sell them, you know. And if you default on the loan, then just sell your stocks and give you what's left. That's really it. Also, for the persons who are still here, I have a surprise for you guys in my next video to get a head start. What I want you guys to do is comment SVL, which is the stock that I'll be reviewing for the next video, and then you can whatever comment you want afterwards. Because I bought some scratchers tickets, and what better way to actually understand a business model or understand your products without trying it. So if we win something, collectively we share it, but if we lose, you just like the video and just pray for another victorious thing. So the aim is really to do a series on all the companies in Jamaica, and the one that I'm going to do first is SVL. And yeah, so hopefully those are some winning tickets and we all can bra off in the summer. If not, we cry and still like Guard's video. And yeah, so that's really it. As I said, just put SVL and then maybe the first 10 persons or so, I will actually just hand them, I'll just link to the money when I collect it. Yeah. So I'll also be recording when I'm scratching it, guys, so you don't have to worry. No bundle thing around here. I think that's it. I know, as I said, my setup isn't finished as yet, and it might look a bit horrible. My videography, me videoing myself, might not be the best as well because this is my first attempt. Yeah, so smash like button for the YouTube algorithm, definitely subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.